Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And welcome to the giveaway of 2022 winner announcement. Now, in the previous video for this giveaway, the rules were, it was all these rules, but the winner would be the first person selected, or the first person who in the comment section properly identified the 2 giveaway items featured in the recent top 10 crafty essential video, in addition to providing us with a destination on your trip wish list for 2022. And so, going back to the video of the top 10 crafty essentials of 2021, the 2 items were the spatula and a stencil. Now, this stencil is not the one that's in the giveaway, but as you can see, there was a stencil here and a spatula there, and that's the video. The name of the video. Okay, so the person who came up first was actually, where'd she go? Wrong video. It's Barbara Anderson was the first person to comment with her destination, as well as the spatula and the stencil. So Barbara Anderson, please send your mailing address for the giveaway items to the email address listed in the description box. Again, the winner is Barbara Anderson. I want to congratulate you, and I would also thank all of you who participated and commented, and I hope that in the year 2022 all of you will be able to visit the location on your wish list, your travel wish list. All right, thanks so much. Until we're back here together, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.